Right, welcome everyone to another new Minecraft video. So yeah, currently I'm mining some stone, to be honest. If you ask me why, well, I'm just starting my new world. I call this PK's Lovely Pandonian Empire. If you wanna know what PK means, well, to me it means Panda King. Yeah. So if you ask me why I put it lovely in the name, well, I got inspired by Stampy. Well, look, it's just inspired. Okay, I just got inspired by him. I'm not trying to copy him. And pretty much, I have a surprise for all of you. But first, let me chop down some trees. So yeah, I'll be back. And just wait. Alright, I have finished cutting down. I mean, making stone tools. Now I'll just cut down the tree. Yay, we will cut down the tree. Yay. Uh, yeah. So, if you have been watching my videos, make sure to subscribe. Why? Well, it would be greatly appreciated. You can unsubscribe if you want. I'm not forcing you to subscribe, I'm just telling you to just subscribe. Is it the same thing? I think. So, either way, just subscribe if you want. You're free to not subscribe because I'm just all about entertainment. Yeah. So I'll just make this boat. I have already found the perfect land in Minecraft, as you can see, because I've been trying multiple worlds to find the perfect land in Minecraft. And this land is ideal for me. I don't mind the big mountains and stuff. So now let's go to a big land of water and I need some food real quick. Okay, now I got 64 baked potato. I totally did not use cheats. Yeah. Alright, it's already becoming nighttime. Don't worry. I'll just get geared up soon. So I have installed a mod where boating drops overpowered items. Let me show ya. See what I mean? Overpowered items. Even some things you can't get from the game. Like, isn't this amazing? So many stuff, and maybe just enough to build my house. That's amazing, to be honest. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm already kind of full of inventory. And it's almost nighttime. Huh, dang it. So sorry. So let me just get a bed. As you can see, it's already daytime. Yeah. And yeah, I literally just fought a lot of zombies last night and even a skeleton. But to be honest, welcome to another day. I also got a book. That's literally why. Yeah, hello. Okay, so time to build my base. Yeah, my house. We got totally enough oak planks. No, there's a spider in the floor, and I'm naming him Dave. You know what? I'll just stop. All right, so let's finally make our simple small house. Don't worry, I'll upgrade it someday. Hopefully. You know what? Where's my bed that I used? Ah, there it is. Yo. Oh. Alright, you know what, let me just eat this spider right here. Then that's gonna clear our inventory. Ah, shoot, I'm gonna die. Well, at least not. Alright, let me just... Oh wow, I wonder how did I get that? Yeah. Like I told you, even illegal items now. Structure void, I can't even see it. Like, to be honest. Maybe someday I get to upgrade this Minecraft house. You know, just a simple small house. I think I should pick the copper door or maybe the jungle door. I'll pick the jungle door. Sorry, copper. I could also use these. You know, what if Microsoft, I mean Mojang added more inventory slots? Imagine that. We would get more inventories to store. Also, I think my boat was down there. Oh, I don't know where I put my boat. I forgot where I last put my boat. You know what? Let's just get a lot of wood. Alright, I got a lot of oak planks now. We just gotta build our house. Build my house, I mean. Oh wait, I forgot there's a warped trapdoor. Maybe I would use that someday for future projects. Why is it invisible? Is it because of the structure? Oh wait, never mind. I thought it was because of the structure void. Let's see. Let me kill this cave spider first. And I didn't give it a chance. Let's see. A powdered snow bucket would be perfect. This is gonna take a while. Yes! Finally asleep. Finally. Why is it laggy now? You know, what if lags never exist? Ooh, pants. An ender eye. An oak door. Damn, that's a lot of stuff. Like, what? Oh wait, I have 2 boats now. I forgot. Oh. Wait, what if we try boating on land? Oh, why is it lagging? I don't know why my Minecraft is a bit laggy now. It used to be, it was smoother. It was a little bit smoother.